Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 turns on but the screen remains black, you might be facing a screen failure, which can occur due to physical damage or a faulty connection. Ignoring this issue can lead to further complications, ultimately rendering your device unusable. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specific to the Acer N19H2. First, ensure your device is powered off completely. Begin by removing any external power sources and accessories. Using the suction cup, gently lift the screen's edge to create a small gap. Insert the plastic opening tool carefully to avoid damaging the casing. Slide the tool around the edges to disengage the clips holding the screen in place. Once you've loosened the screen, carefully lift it away from the device. The faulty component is usually the screen itself, but check the connections to ensure there's not a loose cable. Locate the connector on the motherboard that attaches the screen. Gently disconnect it by pulling the tab, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, remove the screws holding the screen in place. These screws are typically small, so be sure to keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the old screen away and replace it with the new one. Align the new screen's connector with the motherboard and press it firmly until you hear a click. Then, reinsert the screws to secure the screen in place. As you reassemble the device, ensure you don't apply excessive force, as this can damage nearby components. Once everything is securely in place, press the screen back into the frame, ensuring all clips engage properly. Power on your device to check if the issue is resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future screen issues, handle your device with care, avoid dropping it, and consider using a protective case. Regularly check for loose connections if you notice the screen flickering. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.